Hello guys, it's your boy Ernest Bukas, and here I am in Bukas Masterclass. In today's tutorial, it's not a tutorial anyway. It's just we just try to explore the market. I call it market to watch and see which positions, which areas we are going to put on our position as the market has crashed, during the weekend. So in this video, we are just going to explore Bitcoin, explore different altcoins that we will be putting on our buying orders on. So sit and relax, do well and subscribe to the channel if you are joining for the first time. Let's go to the chat and see what's going on. Hi guys, my people was pumping. Thank you for joining me in my masterclass today. I am Bukas, Ernest Bukas, and you are currently watching Bukas Masterclass. What's going on in the crypto market? Yes, in today's tutorial is not a long video. I just want to share my thoughts on what's going on in the market currently, what's going on, where to buy, where to sell, something like that, and what's currently happening in the crypto sector. That's exactly what I want to share my thoughts today on. So if you are joining me from wherever you are, please just do well and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel. This is Bukas Masterclass channel. Subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you all the updates, everything happening inside the crypto sector. Yes, everything happening inside the crypto sector, you will get it here 100%. Yes, 100%. You are going to get it, everything here 100%. So thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for tuning in today. So what's going on in the market, what's happening, who is winning and who is losing? First of all, before I do anything, I would like to bring this thing to read out first. So this is my group, and this is Bukas crypto mentorship group 2, and I said something today about Bitcoin updates. You can see that I said market update. As I said yesterday, any pump you see is a shorting opportunity. That was yesterday, and it happened. The market still short to 19.5. As of yesterday, BTC may still be having a range movement. Around 19.2 and also at 2150. If it happens to break 19k again, then we are going to open a short position and target 17k. Worst case scenario is 12k. But listen what I said here. I said if it happens to hold around this current level, that current level then was 19,800. So if it happens to hold that current level expectation, then long expectation, then a long position expectation will be 20,500 and 22,400 is possible. You understand? In all, I said also you should trade safe. So this is what update I gave today, and looking at the current market, looking at the Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing currently, you can see with your eyes that Bitcoin has already moved from 19,800 this morning. This morning when I said it was 19,807, and now you can see Bitcoin trading at 20,359. So what's happening? As you can see, I draw these channels, and this is the channels that help me to trade Bitcoin. This channel helps me to trade Bitcoin. Currently, any channel like this first channel, from here, when I draw this first channel, I already know that something is happening. So what is the meaning of this channel that I draw? Because channel is as I said today, that one of the things I found out recently is that channel is one thing that will show you exactly what's happening in the crypto market. Like channel, when you draw a better channel, that is using knowing how to draw a good trend line, you will be able to spot out good points, where to short, where to enter position for short, where to enter position for long, all these things. Now if you can see this my channel, the first one here, when it this channel was formed, and you can see here from here. Now when this channel was validated was after here, after this position here was when this channel was validated, and from here a long entry to also touching the same channel was also shown that there will going to be a dump, which you see I shorted from here and booked some good amount of profit from this level. You understand? So this is actually one thing that I love channel for, and it will be a good thing if you as a crypto trader learn how to draw this channel. Now currently, what do we expect from Bitcoin? What do we expect from this Bitcoin? Looking at this current trade, what do we expect from Bitcoin now? You can see that Bitcoin has withstand the 19.8, which I mentioned earlier today with my groups, and today you can see that it's heading to this place. So but what I noticed that we will still go more down. If we didn't hold up, we are still going to go more down. Highest that this long trend can enter is maybe we'll see, because but one thing that made me to believe that we are healthy enough is when you look at a 1-day chart. So when you look at 1-day chart, you will see that this thing, more especially I tell people to always pay attention to RSI when it comes to 1-day chart. Now if you look at this 1-day chart here, you can see that RSI is still at oversold region. You understand? Now coming up, so coming up here, so as it is right now, it's showing you that in the couple of days buyers may still be buying, that buyers may still come in and buy, because the current price is still cheap, but the worst case scenario where many people are trying to put their buying entry is at this point, this level is at this level. Many people are currently many people, I don't want to generalize, but I know many people are waiting to see this price level again. This level, I think many people are waiting to see Bitcoin at 18k again before they can pull in their trigger and start going in. You can see that. So many people are waiting for this area, but what will determine this area here depends on how buyers turns up in this oversold region. If the buyers didn't turn up so well in this region, it shows that we are still going to go down more, because if you watch at the previous one, you can see where we reached here and we dump back. Normally we're supposed not to dump back from here, we're supposed to go up to this level again, or this level again, before retesting back. But the buyers are not strong enough and the sellers are eager to take as little profit as they can, and that is why we have not been going up. And last couple of weeks, you know what happened in the financial market, and the thing that happened triggered many sales due to the interest rates and all those things, and this triggered sales. US market was selling, and all these things was what contributed to many people by the many people that sold their holdings, and the Bitcoin started dumping anyway again. Then if we look at altcoins, then what will you say about altcoin? If someone may ask me what will I say about altcoin, I can tell you that this altcoins has dumped, but there is one thing that I used to know the strength of altcoins, which I'm not seeing, but what I still maintain my stand is any pump is a short, it will still be a shorting opportunity until you can see that, one thing about support is the more a support test, the more weaker that support becomes. So if the support has tested first, broken, now here, but this area now we are seeing a retest on this altcoin called Worldcoin. Is not showing us it's not showing, like, it's not a proof that from here Wo can be pumping to forever. But as a day trader, we can be making money from this short movement. If you are smart enough to be spotting out all these short movement, you can be making money from there. But if you ask me to put my buying order, I will tell you that I will be putting my buying order at this level. I'll be putting my buy order at these levels for some of the altcoins, because liquidity still remains here. And as far as we are here, what is this thing going to actually do is it's going to go up to grab some liquidity here before the major sell-off. Now from here you can see that there are as many supplies here. Okay, so what we go here is that it's going to go here, come up here and fill these orders here. These are many of the orders that are still here. So it might come up here, fill the orders that are ranging here. Once all these orders for sale fill, the next thing you will see is a big dump, and a big dump might return us to this level. Okay, if you are trading altcoins, is either you take short profit as you trade. Do not think about a long-term holding for now. What you do is, once you trade, as you are trading, you are taking profit. As you are trading, you are taking profit. As you are trading, you are taking profit. Looking at Bitcoin right here, this area now is a major support, which it withstand in 1 day chart. This is a major support, it withstanded from 1 day chart. But are we going to withstand this again? If we are to draw another channel here, you will see that you will see something here. Okay, now you can see that in this channel, if I'm to make this channel look good, okay, no, I made mistake. Right. No. So if we can look into this channel, okay, wait, I think we use the second one. Okay, if we can use this one, you see that you will see when so if we can use this like this and get another trend line from this A level to here and this levels to here, okay, this level here. So this is the area that we spotted out that Bitcoin will be dumping. So immediately this area didn't hold to the upside, and came back and broke this channel here. That was when I know that Bitcoin will be dumping. And if we can see truly that this is the where it starts, so this skin can look scary for long position. For strong long-term position, it looks scary. For strong long-term position, where will I be putting my buy order? I can be putting my buy order here. But one thing for sure is that RSI here is showing you one thing. I like using RSI here is to tell you that even RSI here is working because of what it has gotten oversold, so it needs to pump. So this thing is what is currently happening. Now what will happen is it will pump to this area and still dump back to test this liquidity below. You understand? It will still test back to grab this liquidity below before anything else can happen. So what's happening if we are to put our long positions on different altcoins? We can, if we are trading altcoins, my suggestion is many altcoins have dumped so well, and buying right now is not a bad idea if you ask me. Buying right now is not a bad idea if you ask me. But currently all of them are acting on a support level. All of them are reacting. This is sand, and many of them are reacting upon support level. And you can see if you look through our moving average, 50 period moving average standing up is coming close to the price, showing you that a strength is about to happen. But one thing I believe is there are still some liquidity to grab below. There are still some liquidity to grab, and as you are seeing this place, chart doesn't lie. Many people has placed their order here. Many people has placed their order here waiting. So even if this thing might pump to this area to grab some sell order here, it's after grabbing some sell order here, the next thing you will see is boom, it will shut down to here and take this fee orders that are ranging from here. Many orders are here trying to long or buy, but many others also are here trying to sell. So it might go up here to grab this order, sell this order, and fall back to here to pick some order before we pick up another long, depending on the strength of those short positions and long positions. If anything happens within this area, this is currently where I'm going to be putting my buy orders. Yeah, this plagues and some altcoins, the previous lows, the previous lows, because seeing it, I can't see a strong buying or pressure that can push the price lie higher without grabbing the orders that are being fed here. So me, I will be putting some of my buy order below here, but in altcoins, depends on what I see in altcoins. Some altcoins I will be taking profit, like the one I did today on this wall. As you can see in this my group, some of my group, I gave a signal today. As you see this signal, if you can see this signal, let's they trade spot trade right from 0.40 and world network, and we traded it from here, from this 14, and took profit around here. So this is actually a good money if you are trading with a good capital. That's why it's good to be trading. Yes, we trade daily, we trade. You know, as much as the market is still in bear season, we still need to trade. Some altcoins still need to be traded, but do remember to take profit as soon as you can, depending on the movement. If the movement is not strong enough and you have hit your target, just take your profit and go move on. Just take your profit and move on. So this is my take on the market right now. Currently Bitcoin is going up, but I still don't believe that this thing can push the price more higher. Though on my saying today, I said my withstanding level is around 2400, I think 2100 or 20, I said around 2500. Yes, 2500 and 22400. So if we are able to retest this level, and hold it, then 22400 is possible. But if we retest this level and get this order filled here and a sell happen, then this level will be filled. Thank you for joining me in my masterclass today. I remain Ernest Bukas, and you just watched me on my channel at Bukas Masterclass. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. Please do remember to share the video to your friends, to your neighbors, and everybody. So as altcoins are now standing like this, what I'm still telling you that my orders will be here. My orders will be here, not all, but some of the coins I'm looking at. I'm placing my orders at this liquidity below here, because it's actually going to request and collect this liquidity here, while some altcoins which I will be day trading, like the one I did with Wo today, I will still be day trading them and taking profit. Because of what? One reason I will be day trading them is, and it's still good for buy, is because they are cheap. They are cheap right now. No matter what you say, they are cheap right now. Looking at your RSI is still telling you that they are cheap right now. Okay, so do well, trade safe, make money, and enjoy your life. Thank you.